Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On my channel, I like doing subscription unboxing videos. So if you like watching those kind of unboxing videos, please click on the subscribe button down below and consider joining me. And for all my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. Now for today's video, guys, I have a brand new box. I have watched many people get these and I always said I want to give this one a go, and I'm so excited that I got it. I got my first Fab Fit Fun, and it is the spring box for this year. And when I saw the box, I had to get my shirt out. So now I'm officially wearing clothes and matching to my subscription box. I have officially went crazy, but I had to do it. I thought it was cute, and I thought it went really well with the box, but whatever. Okay, for those of you who don't know about FabFitFun, let me give you the quick little rundown. It is a seasonal box. You get 4 a year: spring, summer, winter, fall, $49.99. You get 7 to 10, and it could be beauty, wellness, fashion, fitness, home, or tech items, valued at $200+. So you pay $49.99, but it's valued at over $200. So that's really good. And what you do when you go on the website, you will fill out a questionnaire and you tell them what you like, what you don't like, and that's how they determine what to send in your box. Like if you're really into home decorating, they're going to send you a lot of home decorating stuff. If you like beauty, fashion, and makeup, they're going to send you a lot of stuff like that. So the questionnaire went over everything and I answered what I like. So I already know what's in here because when they sent me the tracking information, I could also view what was in my box, and I'm really excited because I think they really listened to the questionnaire and how I filled it out. So I'm pretty happy right now with what I'm seeing in this box. But they also sent me an email for those of you who have never tried FabFitFun, and that I can give 5 starter boxes to 5 people. You would only have to pay shipping and handling, and it would be valued at $75. What else? You have 21 days from the time you order it if you don't like it to cancel. If you don't cancel within 21 days, then they will charge you $49.99. So make sure if you don't like it, make sure you cancel. But you only pay shipping and handling. Now, all I need from you is your email address, and the first 5 people that contact me, I will send you the information so you can get your free box. I will leave my email address in the link down below. Just click on the show more button. Send me your email address. Let me know you're interested in the starter box for FabFitFun, and I will get it right out to you. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful box. All right, and look how beautiful this is. Come on, is that not a beautiful box? I am totally matching my box. All right, here is the little magazine they give you, and I have watched other unboxings, so I know it's pretty much all the products that you could receive in your box. And like I said, it depends on what you fill out in your questionnaire on what you will receive. And what else? It looks like it has some stories, how to therapy for your skin, how to catch some sleep. Oh, so it's just a whole bunch of good recommendation of things you could do that's healthy for yourself, and some articles. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it and see what I got. Like I said, I've done some research and I went online, and I really was interested, like some of the prices on this stuff is like really high, so I was interested in what other people had to say about it. Okay, so I'm ready to go ahead and show you everything that I got in my box, and this is the first item out. And this is the Murad, and this is Rapid Collagen Infusion, formulated with collagen amino acids. This treatment visibly minimizes the look of fine lines and wrinkles. $78. I paid $49.99 for this box, and this is $78. And like I said, I knew this was coming, so I did some research. I wanted to see what the product review, what people were saying about this. And I went on Ulta, and that's really the price. That's what, if you went on Ulta, that's what you're gonna pay for this little bottle. So right there, I got more than my value of what I paid for the box. So I'm a fan of this. But a lot of people like this, guys. Let me tell you what this is supposed to do really quickly. Rapid collagen infusion has been shown to reduce the appearance of fine line and wrinkles in 2 hours. Rapid collagen infusion is a fast-acting formula that fights wrinkles and loss of resilience by promoting healthy collagen and hydration levels to restore a more youthful appearance. And people were swearing by this, so I am really excited to try this. I think it had a 4.5-star rating. So, and I know that is a good skincare line, so 2 thumbs up so far. Now the next item out of the box is, since we are on skincare, we're gonna stick with that. We have this, and this is the Revive Light Therapy Glow Wrinkle and Anti-Aging Light Device. And this stimulates collagen and elastin with the multi-wave light device. And this valued $68. 78, 68. And this is really what it runs. I wanted to go on the website, and I did some product review. I wanted to see what other people were saying about this. And it had pretty good product reviews on this too. And what this does, it has red LED lights. And one of the main questions I had was, what's the difference between LED lights, which is what this is, and lasers? And what they said about this is LED are safer, more cost-effective, provide a gentle but effective delivery of light and a greater energy output per unit of surface of area in a giving duration. So I'm very interested in trying that. It's supposed to stimulate natural collagen and elastin. It's FDA cleared. It's over-the-counter Class 2 medical device. Enhanced skin tone and color, and great for sun and age spots. So yay so far. Now I must have answered the skincare question really hard, because they sent me a lot of skincare. And here was the next product out. This is Avene Thermal Spring Water, and it says spritz your face with hydrating spring water to calm, soothe, and soften the skin. Now I don't know if I have a spring water mister already. It's in my bathroom. I use it quite often, especially if I'm in the middle of the day, if I feel like I need some hydration. So I didn't do any research on this product. The one I have, I don't think it's Avene. I can't remember the name of it. I should have went in there and looked, but it doesn't matter. It's spring water. You just spritz it on your face. It just refreshes you in the middle of the day and gives you a nice moisturized look if you're feeling a little dry. So now on to the next item, and that is this. And this is a hairbrush. And this is Aria Beauty Luxe Detangling Electroplated Brush. Perfect for all hair types. This extended bristles after easily detangling and reduces the stress to hair and scalp, and it's valued at $35. And I did some research on this too, and that is the value of this. It is a beautiful, beautiful rose gold color. So I already know this is going to be a Christmas gift for my daughter. Her hair tangles on her awful, and rose gold is her thing. Like everything in her room is rose gold, all her little knickknacks and stuff. So I know she'll actually really love this. So I hope she don't watch this video. I don't think she will. She don't watch all my videos. She watches some of them. All right, and the next item out was this, and these are silicone straws. And what it says about this, it says Chic and Tonic silicone straws. This set includes 4 silicone straws, a brush cleaner, a carrying case, so you can sip your drinks on the go for $15. Now, we are not doing much on the go right now, but I love straws. I've been needing some new straws. Oh, very flexible and bendy, and they give you a nice cleaning brush with it. And I guess this is the carrying case. So you can bend them and put them in the carrying case when you're on the go. I don't think I'll be using that for that purpose. I don't carry my straws around with me too often. I'll just put it in my bottle of water, whatever I'm carrying. But I could probably use this for something else. I'm sure like I could hang that on my purse or something. Carry some change or do something with it. I'm sure I'll figure something out to do with that. So yay, that's good. All right, and the next item out is this, and this is Deep Sleep, and this is Body Cocoon, and this calls This Works Deep Sleep Body Cocoon, uses cream to bring calm and relaxation while nourishing your skin. $40. And like I said, they gave me the packing slip, so I knew what was coming ahead of time. So I did some research on this one too. And let me tell you what I found out about this. Okay, this had mixed reviews on it. It had good reviews. People either really loved it or they disliked it. And this says, This Works Deep Body Sleep Cocoon, a restorative beauty sleep solution for the ultimate body treat. And it says, use nightly to nourish body, to restore skin while you sleep. Use after a bath or a shower and before bedtime. And it has a bunch of essential oils to help you sleep. And it nourishes your skin and supports your sleep with this 2-in-1 beauty sleep solution. So a lot of people, like they said, it has essential oils in it. It has shea butter, lavender, chamomile. I love those. As you can see, recently I have just started getting into essential oils, so I've been using lavender at night. So I know I am definitely going to enjoy that. That was one of the negative reviews. People loved it and said it worked, or they were turned off by the smell. So my point being is I think it's going to work for me because I like the smell, and I'll be smelling it and then I'll have it on my body. So I don't know, maybe I'll go into a coma. I won't never wake up. I'll be in a lavender-induced coma. So I will let you know, guys, what I think about this. Okay, now the next product out was this, also to do with sleep. And I'll go over the end how I answered the questionnaire, but they really did stick to what I answered in the questionnaire. And as you can see, this is a sleep. And then this is a sleep mask. And this is a gravity-weighted heavy sleep mask. I could do some like workout with this. I'd say like a good pound and a half. Now what it says about this, it says it's a gravity-weighted sleep mask. Catch some quality Z's. This weighted sleep mask blocks lights and distributes a light touch across key pressure points. $39.99. Now, I am a big fan of sleep masks. And heck, when was it? Earlier in the year, we did a color collab, and a whole bunch of us YouTubers did a color collab. And I got my box from Robin's Closet, and she sent me a sleep mask. And it was a Marilyn Monroe. It was a black fuzzy little thing. And I have worn that every single night. Robin, I have used that face mask every single night, and I love it. But now it's time, it needs to go. It needs to be retired because sleep masks have a lifespan, and I need to say goodbye to it. But I really did enjoy that sleep mask. So I'm super excited to get this new one for sure. Now, the last product in this box, guys, is a mystery product, and they did not let me know on the packing slip, so I couldn't do any research. This is like a really true little surprise, so I like that they included a real little mystery gift in here. And this is the Better Skin Serum, or the Better Skin Company Epic C Serum Power Trio Complex. Tightens, brightens, and rejuvenates. And what it says about this, it's the Power Trio Complex, a vitamin C and blend of cutting edge plant technology. Vitamin C helps protect the skin, hydrate, and promotes a more youthful, revitalized appearance. French plant-based ingredients help tighten and brighten skin. Yay! So I'm really happy with my little gift. I have some vitamin C serums I've already have open right now, so I'm not going to open this right now. But this was my box. I am super impressed. I think I'm going to sign up and definitely get the summer one. I'm really enjoying this. And I've also found out, because I like beauty subscription services and I like fashion services. That's the way why my channel is called Face and Fashions, because I like makeup and I like clothes. And I found out they have their own fashion box too. So I can't wait. I'm going to go ahead and fill out the survey for that so I can get my own fashion box, and I will let you guys know right away when I get that. So I am pleased. I feel like I really got my money's worth on this. So let's do a product review and go over everything I got. They did listen to me. You guys know I'm into skincare. I have trouble with my sleep, and I feel like that is exactly what they sent me. They sent me the vitamin C serum. They sent me this glow anti-wrinkle LED light to help with skin. They sent me this beautiful, very good star review of this Murad lotion, so I'm super excited to try that. That's another skincare product. And here's another skincare product, which was the Spring Mist Water. And for sleep, they sent me the Deep Sleep Lotion to put on at bedtime. And to go with the sleep, we got the sleep mask to go with it. And then we got the beautiful rose gold detangling brush. I would keep this, but I know my daughter would love it so much, so I gotta give it to her for Christmas or maybe her birthday, we'll see. And then silicone straws, which I'm really happy to receive also. So that was a lot of lovely products. I am super happy. I think I'm going to be a FabFitFun fan, because I definitely, I paid, okay, it's supposed to be $49.99, but I used someone else's link, so I only paid $39.99 for this. And I definitely got my value out of this box. So super happy, 2 thumbs up, one of the best boxes, and I'm very happy I got it. So with all that said, if you guys are liking my videos, please click the like and subscribe button. And until next time, guys, stay safe out there, wear your face mask, protect yourself. Okay, until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.